Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. And once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be looking like this. This is this bell icon. This is the silent mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. You will see the message calls and notifications are silenced, and the icon will go back, or rather turn blue. It will get highlighted, which indicates that the silent mode is enabled. And then you can close the quick panel to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the silence mode, you can simply open the quick panel, find the silent mode icon, tap on it. You will see the message calls and notification sounds are on. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.